Here it is, guys. Matt, the garage door geek, and I believe it was the garage door guy 89. We were talking about this in the comments. You said you hadn't seen a helpmate, and Matt, you said that you hadn't even heard of them. Well, here it is. Helpmate Equipment Company, Benton Harbor, Michigan. That's only about 12-15 miles away from here. I know, kind of gave away my location, didn't it? But I don't care. Yeah, so this is a 10-foot door. It's a full chain drive. There is a light. The light is underneath. You can even see the flywheel for the V-belt up in there. Kind of see the V-belt a little bit too. You see I've got a rear torsion set up here. This is a 16 by 10 6-door on low headroom. Got a 8 by 7 3-door over there that goes out to my deck / dock. It's got high lift on it. There's my little 4 by 3 3-door. It's for my fair display. And then 16 by 7 Gadco over there with an older Sears on it. And then here's the remote. That's the Crusader remote that I was telling you guys about. It actually makes the noise when you press the button. Alright, so here we go. It is a little bit speedy. You see it's got the chain dog limits. Yeah, it's got a square tube rail. Got a center hang because it is a little flimsy when it just hangs by itself. So let's see if I could show you these limits on top here. How well the lighting is up here, but yeah, a little spring, and it's got 2 levers on it. See if I can. See the little switches there. And there's one also on this side, you know, for a down limit. You can see how the rail's held on. It's these 2 little clip brackets. Yeah, so there it is. See the V-belt running in there. That noise you hear is the switch at the limit switch on top. And that noise you hear at the end. There you go. Got just a little old Stanley button over there. You can see the round black button with the round black outer with the white button in the middle. So yeah, you guys would like to see that, because a lot of you guys probably haven't even heard of these guys. So there you go, helpmate door opener. And I'll see you guys later. Any questions? Yeah, let me know.